Greeting to all. Today, I Akshay Bolowalia, student of BBA Semester 6, is going to give a presentation on social media analysis of Pause and Wonder. Pause and Wonder logo is this. About Pause and Wonder. Pause and Wonder provide you the enthusiastic information about unexplored part of India. It highlights such places which are not much famous. It is effort to share their food, custom and tradition as well. Why the name is Pause and Wonder? Pause refers to temporary stop in action, and wonder here means wanderlust, as it is a strong desire to wander or travel, explore the world. Reason for selecting particular channel being uh, beginning for what I have aspired from when knew about traveling. All I had in mind was about how we could be one traveling and getting the best view of the place some of us ever dream of, how we could get a job where we could be wondered and find new places where no one has been a part of my dream come true when I open my own Instagram page. Pause and Wonder. Here I am with enlightening experience with this page. This page has helped me brush up on my availability, being information to people about the unexplored part of explored place. Every view tell a story and also refresh another moment we once have had, the the one we had with family, friend, or to be alone. The best part is to be elaborate version of single place with different perspective. Category choose. The category I have choose is traveling and tourism. It is a platform where the detailed version of the place is wonderful depicted by just a mere picture and word. Not only the view but taste and untold story of destination. Objective. The primary objective of our page, which has helpful to build a good network and communication with traveler for the farthest corner of the world by visiting our page. Not only people from India but over the globe travel get pursued to come and visit the beautiful land of diversity, not only know but also unknown. Target audience. This page we try the being maximum of youth are interested in getting precious information about the information unknown places along with their culture, travel, food. This is a screenshot of my page. Currently I have 64 posts on my Instagram page, following to total 257 number of people follow Pause and Wonder. Pause and Wonder follow back 203 people. Content, activities, audience, follower, demograph. Thank you.